All right. We're working on junk. That sounds like crap.
Sounds like...
Why don't you turn the trigger all the way up on it? Don't spin it in my face like that, it might hit me. Turn the knob. That knob, what happens? I think that sounds good. Leave that sock on it, see how it falls off?
Oh man.
Dumb shit. You almost hit me with that damn thing.
Sorry.
Is it wide open now?
Now it's wide open.
Sound better?
Sounds like it's gonna get it off.
Did you oil it?
Yes, I did.
Alright.
I put a bunch of oil in there actually.
So it's making a mess now?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it needs more oil. It's probably dry.
Yeah, that's what I did a lot.
Okay, we're taking the heads apart now.
Here we go.
Are you tightening or loosening?
Loosening.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Alright, he works on that. I'm gonna have to rebuild this part. Right now it's bottoming out on the flywheel down here. There's no gap down in there between the shaft and the flywheel. That's why it's all shiny. So we're going to have to machine the flywheel back and machine this shoulder back. So when this is all tight, there's a clearance in there. Otherwise the taper's not tight and it's loose and it'll spin and destroy everything. The rods have to be rebuilt. The crank pin's got some marks that we don't like, so it's junk. And the pinion shaft is wasted here and bearings flaking through here somewhere. Somewhere in there, soft spot. There it is, right there. Somewhere in the light. So that's junk. See, all new parts. Look at the oil mess you made. There's a hazmat chemical spill right there.
Terrible what I've done.
Damn. See, no sign, no identification. That's been done. And let's go call EPA. Can we get a close-up of that? You screwing up that bolt again?
No.
Okay, let me see.
There we go. Because it's a fat socket.
Why don't you quit screwing up the bolt? You notice how the bolt really looks custom now. See what he just did to that Harley Davidson bolt. Now
Look at that. Look at that perfect fitment there with that perfect tool that you gave me.
You mean this socket right here?
Yeah.
That you're destroying my precision-made socket? This is not just some piece of crap socket. This is a Chang Fang Mechanic Taiwan socket. Oh, I get where you can see it. I was not camera focusing. That is a genuine Taiwan Mechanic socket. We could have actually got a good one. Okay, so we're going to go machine this now. So how much of this do you need to machine? We need to machine it up higher than the shoulder is right here. And we need to cut it more than what that is.
Because it's ruining everything.
Because you just destroyed that genuine Harley Davidson 1035 CP bolt. And then you went and hit it 3 more times just to make sure it was no good.
Yeah, of course, that's what I do.
What a precision job. Now look at this gasket here. Look at him. Look at this metal gasket's in the way right here. That was poking me too. Here, that's it.
See, it used to be good, and then you bent it.
It was my fault. Okay, see, it clears that spot.
Mm-hmm.
And see, it almost clears that if that gasket wasn't there.
But what I don't get is that I got these ones out, no problem.
You know, I can see there's a problem on this one right here. Somebody did the same thing. And that one right there.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same
Let
person
me see that
did
socket
both
real quick.
things. He wants to steal a socket from me. We're going to go fix this socket right now.
Right after. So we're at the machine.
What kind of machine?
This is called a lathe. And what it does is it makes that thing spin.
It's called a socket maker.
Socket maker.
Or remaker.
Remix.
How far do we need to go up?
About 1/4 inch past the shoulder.
1/4 inch past? Need more than that. And I'm about to put it back, pull it out some more. You don't need to cut that Taiwan part off, do you?
Yeah, I think you do.
That one right there?
Yep.
Okay. Well, look at that quality socket there. See, I got better?
Yep. Oh wait, nope.
Are you even looking?
Nope. There it
It's
is.
truer now. Well, they heard the impact.
Yep. He was hitting it, and I was looking at it, not looking through the viewfinder. So there we go.
Fred did that. Okay. Let's heat treat it. right up to Taiwan. We don't want to destroy the Taiwan.
We want to know where it's made.
Looks like it's through hard. That's good.
Yeah.
Man, cheap ass craftsman on the case hardened. This thing's all the way through hard. Look at that. You don't think that's hot, do you?
Might be.
Yeah.
Only if you touch it.
Well, only if I touch it with my bare hands.
Yep.
That's why I would never do that. That'd be like unsafe.
Look how pretty that is. Whoa!
What?
that one little piece of metal spinning all the way around.
That's how it's not cutting. I'm thinking that maybe the tool bit's a little dull. Only when you touch it though. Yeah, see, that part does not cut.
Yeah. That part does.
That part does, yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking that the bit might be a little dull.
Just a tiny bit.
It's like rubbing it off now, it's not cutting anymore. Okay, see how it's all radius cut right in there?
Mm-hmm.
That means you don't have anything to tighten up there. So go ahead and lose some of that metal we don't need. Some more. It's not cutting very straight. Now. Look at that bit's really dull. Alright.
There you go.
Almost all the way down it's going to cut down. And we radius off this edge so we don't cut ourselves. Ooh, nice.
There you go.
Got a dingleberry hanging out.
Oh, the old dingles.
Alright, go see how that fits now.
Pretty cool. Alright, let's have a look.
Got enough anymore.
We're actually going to need more.
Why don't you cut it more then?
See, you can see right there that it's still a little too fat.
It's only fat if you don't have a big hammer and push it down.
Yeah, and break off a fin.
It didn't need to be there anyway. It's extra one. Look at all the other ones they have.
There's plenty of them.
Yeah, they don't need to. Alright. Now, do I use it with or without the backing? It's dark over here, I can't see. It's running right there, see? And I still don't need the light to do this. See that big chunk that's not there? That's probably the part that's not cutting right now. thinking that might have something to do with it. Better, but still no good. Oops. When you go off the edge of the wheel, it's not good for it. Getting there. Look at this, almost like brand new. So how much you want off this time?
Maybe a 16th. What do you think?
Not quite straight, but I'm thinking. Close though. How sharp is this going to be now?
Hopefully super sharp. Look at that.
Cuts like butter.
For how long?
Oh, I know. Come on now.
It's not like that.
No, that's hard on the bill and it shatters. Probably shouldn't be doing that. Oh well. Oh, it's still plenty strong enough for a good one.
Let's go find out.
All I could do is brake. Close. How much more do you want?
How much more do you think?
Obviously more than we have. Go at least a quarter inch. Pretty thin. Keep cutting it. Won't be much left. Got a lot on that side. A lot on that one.
And it worked on these two.
Look at the gap we got there. Got a huge gap.
Yeah, look at that. Brilliant.
Problem with this is they didn't make this very good.
Yeah, that one, that might have been broken and redone.
All right. Well, we just have to cut it away some more. We didn't need all that metal under, did we? I bet you it'll go in there.
You want to give it a shot?
Where's your hammer at? What we should do is brake.
There we go.
That's perfect fit.
Oh,
Okay, where's your gun?
right there in front of you.
Oh, you gonna make me do it?
Yep, you can do the honors.
You're the one that broke it, not me.
I didn't break anything.
Look at that oil you got. You over-oiled your gun.
Well, it's needed over oiling.
Yeah. Dust oil too.
Look at that.
Power. All right, there's one socket. $99.99, custom made. It was $9.99, so that's all it was worth. We can still reuse this head bolt because, see, we got a real socket and it goes all the way to the very bottom. So we can catch that good areas down in here. Stock, the socket only hit this far. So we can reuse this even though it's a piece of crap now.
Yep. Because we have good tools.
Yeah.
We can make crap tools good.
But not good mechanics because somebody already did that. I get blood coming out of my thumb now. That gas light almost blew up again.
Yeah. All right.
So,
Now we're gonna go ahead and check the.
that thing keeps getting me. How come you don't take that piece of crap gasket off of there? Here, put your finger out.
It's gotten me plenty of times too. I remember who actually cut these.
Me too.
I remember who cut these.
I don't know who would ever do something like that. Here, you can reuse these right here.
And this little bad boy right here.
Yeah.
This one got my knuckles a couple times.
Where's my screwdriver at? There you go.
Now we're gonna go take the valve springs off them, see the clearance, so that we can.
Oh, did you see me drop that cylinder?
Look at that.
I did it on purpose. Look at that sunk valve in there. You could probably put a lot of cam in this motor now. You have to see how much clearance you got. All right, there's one. How about this one? Oh, that one came right off too.
Nice sunk clamp.
Well, the exhaust isn't too bad. Okay, let's go take these parts, see what we got to work with. They're still full of oil too.
Yeah.
All right.
So they don't rust.
That's all right.